Morning traders, Nick Messenger, Market Tea Leaves here to bring our daily market bias video for Tuesday, May 14th. It's approximately 5:25 a.m. or almost 5:30 a.m. on the East Coast. We will take a look at the overnight session in Asia. Asia trading mainly lower with the exception of the Indian Sensex exchange, which is trading higher at this particular hour. Everything else appears to be negative triple-digit territory. Currently right now in Europe, and as current as ongoing, Europe is open trading. All of Europe is trading to the upside. Now, if we were to take a look at market correlations, the stands. U.S. dollar, up until a little while ago, was trading in negative territory. We still think that it probably will. It seems to be flip-flopping between positive and negative territory at this particular time. However, the entire bond universe is trading to the downside in negative territory. And the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average all pointing to a higher open. Gold is trading lower. Crude oil is trading lower. Now, if we were to take a look at economic news we have in the docket today for the U.S. markets, we really don't have very much. I mean, we have at 6 a.m. we have small business index, and we have import prices at 8:30 a.m. and then we have an FOMC member speaking at around 12:45. So we don't have very much, if you will, but what we do have is major. And I think right now with the entire trading world is sitting on their hands right now, waiting to see whether or not some kind of trade deal between U.S. and China will emerge. Thus far, it hasn't. All this being said, our bias is the upside. And the reason why we're suggesting this is crude oil is trading lower, gold is trading lower, the bonds are trading lower. We think that eventually the U.S. dollar will also turn negative as well, which is where it was a little while ago. And the S&P, NASDAQ, Dow Jones Industrial Average pointing to a higher open. All of Europe is trading to the upside as well. Hence our bias is to the upside. What I think folks are going to see today is something we call, a phenomenon we call dead cat bounce. Which is to say that the market has been trading down, 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 down. People have been shorting it. And now it comes time where they have to cover those shorts. And when that does occur, that's when you start to see an uptick or spike up, if you will, in not only in volume but also in direction. So I think that's what we're going to be seeing today. But again, time will tell. Hence our biases to the upside. Could this change? Absolutely. I think it's possible in a volatile market. Thanks. Hope this helps. Look forward to the next time with you.